Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get a verification of insurance from Progressive Auto Insurance. Open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Things to Do. On this page, you will see an option for ID cards and other proof of insurance. Click on ID cards and other proof of insurance. Now on the ID cards and other proof of insurance page, you will see an option for verification of insurance. Click on Verification of Insurance. Then here, you will see the electronic copy of your verification of insurance. To download it, click on the Save icon on its upper right part. A pop-up message will appear saying that your verification of insurance is downloaded and ready to go. You could also find the downloaded file at the bottom left side of the page. That's how you get a verification of insurance from Progressive Auto Insurance. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.